Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents. This amazing ancient Japanese method can eliminate stress in just 5 minutes. Stress is something all of us face in our daily lives. What if I tell you there is an ancient Japanese technique for reducing your stress levels within 2 to 5 minutes? This is what I'm about to share with you. And it gets better. You only need both of your hands to carry it out. Chronic stress, for example, attacks our whole body at a cellular level and has been linked to serious diseases. If you are often under too much stress, you are putting your health in serious danger. Both mentally and physically, the effects of stress can be devastating. This is why we all need to learn how to deal with stress naturally and reduce the risk of various diseases and conditions. This can be done in many ways. You can listen to your favorite tunes, try yoga or take up a hobby, take a long hot bath, drink a cup of tea or just hang out with your friends. Anything that makes you happy can instantly relieve stress and make you feel better. Most people try to reduce stress with antidepressants and other types of pills, but they are just as dangerous as stress, not to mention ineffective in most cases. Fortunately, there's an ancient Japanese natural stress relief method that will lower your stress and stop you from becoming anxious. The method doesn't involve the use of any kind of medicine or even remedy. In fact, it's based on applying pressure on certain points on the hand which relieve tension and stress when massaged. The method is known as acupressure and has been used to relieve all sorts of health problems for centuries. In ancient Japanese culture, stress can be dealt with through the hands. The Japanese believe that our fingers represent a certain emotion, and by addressing a particular finger, we can relieve any kind of problem. The thumb is associated with anxiety and worrying. The index finger can be massaged to overcome fear. The middle finger corresponds to anger. The ring finger is linked to sadness and depression. The pinky can be stimulated to boost self-esteem. How does it work? Each of the fingers needs to be massaged for 1 to 2 minutes for the method to work. Open your hand wide and spread your fingers nicely. Start with the thumb. Pinch the sides of the tip and apply firm pressure. Then move down the finger with the same pressure. You need to press enough until you feel a pulse. When moving down the finger, stop for a few seconds on each segment and focus on the pulse. Continue doing this for a minute or two. Also, there is a special pressure point between the index finger and thumb. It's the muscle above the base of the thumb. It's full of nerves that can be stimulated to relieve tension in the head and whole body. Just squeeze it with steady pressure and massage it a bit. You'll feel much better in a few minutes. There is another stress relieving pressure point on the wrist, on the spot where the bones and arm meet. Massaging this point with slight pressure should help you release negative thoughts and stop worrying. Don't worry about the slight tingling. It's completely normal. The indentation on the opposite side of the wrist can also be massaged to relieve stress and clear your mind. If you practice this technique every day, your spirit becomes balanced, enabling you to deal with stress much more effectively. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.